Hello all my YouTube friends. Sorry it's been a while since I last posted. Just been busy with stuff. But I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sodor Cup Racers pack that is based on Race for the Sodor Cup movie. This pack includes 9 engines. We got Thomas, Percy, Diesel, Kana, Hero in his first ever push-along release, Jiff, Riff, Verona, and Frederico. Also included is the Sodor Cup trophy. And in case you're wondering why I got the standard push-along diesel here, well, it's because there's something interesting I want to share with you later. But right now, I'm gonna go over the engines one by one. First up is the stock standard Thomas. Nothing new was added. It's just the stock standard Thomas. I already have a Thomas, so I'm gonna be thinking about customizing him. If I wanted to, that is. Next up, Percy. Like Thomas, I already have a stock standard Percy, so I'm thinking about doing some adjustments to him as well. Customizing him, and that is. Next up is Diesel and the exclusive version of Diesel. Here's an interesting fact. The prototype of this diesel featured him with this face from the stock standard. Diesel, but the final version featured him with this face instead. Next up, Kana. Again, I already have the stock standard engines, so I'm thinking about doing some adjustments to them. Again, with the customizing. Next up, we got an engine. Next up, we got Hero in his first ever push-along release. He's number 51. I'm guessing the reason why they didn't make the original version of Hero was because he would be too difficult to make. Next up, we got Jiff and Riff. Remember when I said I'm gonna go over engines one by one? Well, for the rest, I'm gonna go for 2. So here's Jiff and here's Riff. How can you tell these two apart? Well, This is Jiff. This is Riff. And here's something very helpful. If you flip to the side, you can see their names. Again, this is Jiff and this is Riff. These names are labeled to help you to tell who these characters are. And now for the last two. Verona and Frederico. The Jeez, what's the word for it? The Antonages. No. Sorry, I kind of have a hard time saying it. I don't use that word very often. I'm just gonna say they're the bad guys in the movie. Or the Antonages. Yeah, again, I don't use that word very often. These two are the same shape, but have different colors. Verona is yellow, Frederico's black. She has a bit of black right here, and he has a bit of yellow. They both have the orange lining on both of their sides. Yeah, for some reason, they were not given screws, unlike the previous models we just seen, as the ones shown here. So I'm guessing you can't disassemble these two. And here's the Sodor Cup trophy, which was the plot point of the film. And that ought to do it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And which character in this pack are your favorite? Or is your favorite? It could be more than one character, but if you don't like All Engines Go or Race for the Sodor Cup, that's fine. Again, I'll handle your opinion just as long as you handle mine. You wouldn't like me you wouldn't even like me when you disrespect my opinions. But as always, thank you for watching and bye for now.